In a move that has set the motocross world buzzing, Yamaha is rumored to be preparing a dramatic return to its two-stroke roots with the launch of a brand new YZ450 two-stroke dirt bike. This potential release, reportedly unveiled at a private Yamaha Factory Racing showcase, marks a bold new chapter for the Japanese manufacturer, one that could redefine modern off-road competition. The Yamaha YZ series has long held legendary status among motocross enthusiasts. While the YZ450 two-stroke remains a fan favorite to this day, Yamaha ceased production of the larger YZ360 and YZ490 two-strokes in the early 1990s. Since then, four-stroke machines like the YZ450F have dominated Yamaha's racing efforts, gaining technological advancements in fuel injection, frame design, and suspension. However, a resurgence in two-stroke popularity, driven by their lighter weight, raw power delivery, and easier maintenance, has reignited demand among both amateur and pro riders. The rumored YZ450 two-stroke appears to answer that call, combining aggressive modern styling, updated suspension, and Monster Energy branding with a powerful new two-stroke engine designed for peak performance. Although Yamaha has not confirmed any official specs, the prototype showcased in leaked images features a large expansion chamber, black and blue factory graphics, and a revised chassis that mirrors the ergonomics of the YZ450F. Industry insiders speculate this machine could feature electric start, electronic power valve control, and a lightweight aluminum frame, all cutting-edge updates to the classic two-stroke formula. If true, Yamaha's return to big-bore two-strokes could disrupt the current off-road market, challenging KTM and Husqvarna's dominance in the segment and thrilling riders who crave the nostalgic roar of a 450 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. Until Yamaha issues an official statement, this rumored beast remains the stuff of motocross dreams. But if the excitement from fans and insiders is any indication, the world is more than ready for a YZ450 two-stroke revival. How about more information? Keep watching for more information, only on Moto Rider. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so we can build this channel together. Thank you and see you.